Grand Rising, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Just got a quick article I want to go over with you. First, like, subscribe, and share. Please hit the notification bell. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell. This will be a quick article. White House adds a business tax credit to incentivize vaccinations. So I'm going to read this article, and for you people who are working some of these companies and you say you're not going to be vaccinated or whatever, well, they've been incentivized to have you vaccinated, and they're going to receive a tax credit. So if you decide to think that you're not going to be vaccinated, then looks like you're going to have to start your own company or business, because if you're going to work for some of these Fortune 500 companies or public traded companies or any company that's affiliated with the government in some shape, form, or fashion, will eventually force you to have to be vaccinated as a public policy or as a public health threat. So just be on guard that you may have to change the way that you live and do things, and that's why I've been pushing for you all to start your own LLCs, because those will be private corporations and companies, and you can choose on how you operate your company unless you take government money. Just like our states, when they take government money, now they're beholding to uphold their end of the bargain when you receive any type of government funding. They require certain rules and regulations that you abide by for that funding. So let's get into this article. So first, like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell, Cash App, Super Chat. It's all appreciated. So let's get to it. The new credit applies to all businesses with fewer than 500 employees. It covers up to $511 per day of paid sick leave to get COVID inoculations or deal with potential side effects. Restaurant owners can now receive a tax credit to offset the cost of paid leave for employees to get vaccinated against COVID. The tax credit also covers the cost of paid time off for employees to recover from any vaccination side effects. So they even got it in there. If you have any side effects, and you could take time off for it if you don't die. The incentive applies to all businesses with fewer than 500 employees, so they're going after small companies, and covers up to $511 per day of paid sick leave between April 1st and September 30th, the White House said. The credit covers up to 10 work days. So a poor man's 2 weeks, because your full 2 weeks is 14 days. So they give you Monday through Friday, then you got Saturday and Sunday off, then they give you Monday through Friday again. So they don't count the weekends. Providing paid time off for vaccinations and investment in the safety, productivity, and health of an employer's own workforce and their community, the White House said in a statement. Well, I say eating right, exercising, getting fresh air, those are the things that will keep you healthy and fight off any harmful disease or whatever. A good working diet and a little bit of exercise and a lot of stretching. That will help. Like, subscribe, and share. The Church of Money. No working person in this country should lose a single dollar from their paycheck to take time to get the shot or recover from it. The tax credit is a part of the $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan stimulus package signed into law by Biden in March. In a speech Wednesday, Biden said the U.S. is on track to administer 200 million COVID vaccinations since he took office in January. On Monday, all U.S. residents over the age of 16 became eligible for the vaccine. A number of restaurant chains, here we go, had previously offered incentives for workers to get vaccinated. Unit-level employees of Beef O'Brady and the Brass Tap are eligible for $100 vaccination bonus, for example. And chains including Noodle and Company have offered paid time off for employee vaccinations. For you who works at Noodle and Company, well, they're about to go out of business. They just filed for bankruptcy. So I wouldn't really worry. You all will probably be receiving unemployment insurance. So anything that they're offering paid time off, you probably won't get paid. So I would just forget their incentive that they're offering. So that's it. Just wanted to give you guys that. And I will be doing a video on 54 of your favorite restaurants. 53 of your favorite restaurants in my next video that are currently going out of business or have filed bankruptcy to try to be saved. But you know how that go. Bankruptcy, you usually fail. And those are business opportunities as well for a lot of you in the food industry, especially local food in the communities, the neighborhoods. It's opportunity to pick up good quality equipment for cheap. Look at the restaurant liquidation sales. Find some of these companies' suppliers, some of their equipment. It's all going to be for pennies on the dollar. They have to sell this stuff to pay back their loans and lenders and partners and all these things that they had to create these companies. Just gave them money. You should see all these groups to just give them this money, and all these companies are failing. Makes you wonder. We've been having a hard time getting financing, and they're just throwing it away. Companies failing. It's a couple of these companies that I'm going to go over that I think we personally can save. Have good, what they call goodwill in their name and brand. But I don't think it's going to happen. It's all planned and to fail, everything. So it doesn't have to be. It takes a change of mind direction from us all to keep this wheel turning in the right direction. Keep them oiled up, keep the gears oiled, so everything can run smoothly. So with that being said, like, subscribe, and share. The notification bell. Donations, please, are accepted. Cash App, Super Chat, and talk to you soon. Oh, and of course, CPN course, credit repair, wholesale property courses, flipping courses, how to buy medical supply courses, how to flip pallet courses, all available. Down in the description, details are there. Peace to the God.